Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have another mystery bag. I just filmed a couple and I didn't realize I had purchased another one. So I have some pretty purple things, some things I purchased from Ipsy. So anyway, I'm kind of excited about this mystery bag, but usually I say I bought it so you don't have to, but I think I might like this one. So we'll see. All I can see is what's on the outside. But anyway, so let's just get going. Okay, friends, I want to thank you first of all for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are so appreciated. So thank you very much. And so let's get into this bag. So the first things I did pick up in the shop, a couple. These were pretty good buy for Amika. This is love your brass and bust your brass. This is shampoo and conditioner by Amika. I love Amika. I do have blonde in my hair, so I can use these. So that was kind of fun to pick up. I also picked up something that I didn't realize I already had. I should know these things. I don't know why I do this, but I guess I picked it up so I can give it to one of you guys. So I'm starting to plan a giveaway. But anyway, this is from Natasha Denona, and it is the blush and highlight palette. It's beautiful. It has a mirror. Those are the colors. So it's actually a beautiful palette, and I love this. I actually love the highlighter. The blush is a good color. I have used the one I have, but it's still got use in it. So I'm not sure, once again, if I'll give this away or what I'm going to do with it, but I picked it up. So it was a good deal because Natasha items can be a little bit more expensive. I think this was like $12. It's normally like in the 30s. So anyway, so now we're going to get to this bag here. It's pretty purple. I didn't realize that when I got this, it's like the purple. But anyway, and this is so cute. It's got green like heart with black like green hearts all over on the inside. It's got the green pole right here, and it's got a cute heart with a pink heart. The Ipsy, the zip pole. So it's a very cute bag. So I really like this bag. It's very silky, shiny. So one of the things I do if I decide to get a mystery bag, which, like I said, I kind of do it for filming purposes and stuff. Plus, a lot of times there's things in here that make good gifts or whatever, giveaway items or things I would like to keep. But I try to look for what, in the description, it'll tell you some of the brands that you will likely see in the bag. Now, I know that's not always the case. Sometimes people are disappointed they don't always receive. But I think this one had, it said I was going to receive... I think it said Bare Minerals and Biro, which I love Biro products. It's one of my favorite skincare brands, and I see both of those in here. They also have a Danessa Myricks, which I'll pull out first here. I'm really excited about this. This is the Evolution Powder by Danessa Myricks. I love Danessa Myricks products. Her stuff is just good. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder. And let's go ahead and look inside and see what we got. So it looks just like a translucent type powder. I'm excited though because I love this brand and I know it's going to be really good. So there it is. Oh, it has a peel off. I don't know if you can see this side. So it looks just like a translucent powder. Evolution powder. So I don't know if there's anything special about it that we need to make note of, but anyway, I'm excited about it. So that's a good thing. So we're going to go ahead and stick that in our bag here. and something I'm probably going to use right away, actually. The next thing we have, of course, they always do these in our, this is Z Flash, let's see, hyaluronic technology, niacinamide plus the caffeine. It's, oh, they're eye masks. Okay, I can handle it. And I think there's 2 packages in here. So yes, it's not a face mask. I got eye masks. So this is going to be a good bag. Okay, so those are eye masks. I will use eye masks. I do like them. So anyway, there's 2 in there. I like the caffeine, the niacinamide. You know, it's got good stuff in it. So anyway, there's that. So I put that in the bag. The next thing I'm pulling out was the Bare Minerals, which I said I saw about. This is called the Maximist, and it is a mascara. I do really like Bare Mineral products. There was a day when I used a lot of Bare Mineral. I used their foundations and a lot of things. This right here, it looks like it's going to be a pretty volumizing mascara. Okay, it has, oh, I like the brush. I don't know if you can see the bristles, but they're kind of look different. It's very full, very full. I like this. I'm going to use this. So, gosh, you guys, a bag I'm liking. So here's the 3rd item. The 4th item I have in here, I have no idea what this is. This is, oh, it's a primer. It's OPV Beauty, and it's Joy Denuga. It's called a Skin Gold Primer. So let's see what it's about. Opening up the box here. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Joy Agenda Skin Gold Primer, OPV Beauty. Looks like it could be a decent product. I like the, anyway, I like the aesthetics of it. It comes in a nice little box. So that is our 4th item. And the 5th item is the one I'm saving. Like, you know, I told you I love Bio products. This is Hydrangea Tea Intensive Hydration Serum. So it's a moisturizing serum and a pretty box. They have the prettiest boxes and stuff, the gold and the pink. I love that. And this is a blue, kind of a blue bottle. It looks like the I have the face oil and it's a pink, similar to this. This is the blue, and so it's just a serum. I will definitely use this. Love this brand. Not something I want to give away. Take a little drop of that. See that? I don't know if you can see the drop on there right here. So, oh, I don't know why I love the smells of these. They're just light, fresh, not real strong, but just a good, I don't know. It smells like it's working, like it's gonna help your skin. So anyway, I love that. So gosh, you guys, this right here is probably worth the bag in itself. So I am very happy with this mystery bag. Tell me what you think. Would you go for this mystery bag? Or would you like it or be happy? Because I'm pleasantly surprised. Because like I said, I always buy these so you don't have to, kind of thinking we're going to be disappointed. And I wasn't disappointed. There's pretty much everything in here is something I want to use. So that's really exciting. So let me know what you think. Bag full of stuff. This is one of the better mystery bags I've seen. So I'm pretty happy with it. And then I got the shampoos and the Natasha Denona. So anyway, that was a fun little purchase right there. cute little, look at that zipper pull. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. I so appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.